Hi, everybody. I hope you're enjoying your day off. I just wanted to hop on and do a video for this week because I know how my week looks, and I know that if I try and do it tomorrow, it's not going to happen. So, I was actually at the Teacher Summit on Saturday with professors, other coaches, mentor teachers, and it was really powerful to see everybody in the same room. Not everybody attended, but there was a really good turnout for a Saturday 8 a.m. event. But um, something that I heard a lot of from mentor teachers is that they didn't know the deadlines for your guys' projects. So that is up to you to communicate that with your mentor, and they don't know these kinds of things. It has to be that open communication, kind of what I talked about in the first week. But you definitely should maybe just print out the schedule and just give it to them. Give them the link to OCP, give them the link to your FAST manual, and take that initiative of communicating with them. If you haven't already, most of you probably have. The difficult part is we have so many different mentors, and we'll get really great mentors, and then we'll get new mentors, and it's just a lot of moving parts. So being the communication kind of linchpin is really, really important. And I can't do that because I'm not in your space with you. So you need to communicate with them. You also definitely need to make sure that you've bookmarked the calendar. So I pulled up the calendar just from the OCP website. Everything you need is on there. And this is for 155A and 154A, but we don't have any 154As. So we're already down in this range, okay? So you need to be following the schedule. Here's the multiple subject one for 170, 178. But the schedules are there. The FAST manual is there. If you haven't read through your FAST manual already, like cover to cover, you need to set time aside to do that. I was listening in with Dr. Ulrich's, let me see, the video she did for our multiple subject students. And a lot of the questions that people were asking were in the FAST manual. So that tells me that we're not reading through it. The FAST manual has everything that you need. The OCP website has everything that you need. So making sure that you're taking that initiative to set time aside. And I fully, fully, fully understand you're very busy. But being aware of the program and the requirements is really going to help ease your stress and get you on task and get you on the right path so that we're all graduating on time from the program. So please do that. I am starting to get some people who are putting their hours in, which is great. Please remember, I need the little 3 to 5 sentence description of what you did, and also the like the drop down selection. Okay, I need those two components in order to approve. And then don't email me your lesson plan and don't email me your video. What you do is you put it in TK20 and email me, say, hey, my lesson 1 is done in TK20. That's it. And then I go to TK20, I open up the link to your video, I open up your lesson plan, I do my observation, and I'll email you back. So if you need a refresher, I can show you real quick. I hope it's not gonna let me do it. There we go. I made the little flow chart for you. So plan the lesson with your mentor, write the lesson plan, teach it and record it, upload the lesson plan and the video link to TK20. You can just put the link right in the lesson plan if you want. Email me letting me know the lesson's complete, and then after I do my observation, I'll email you back. Then you can do your reflection. This is the flow that works for me. I even put right here so that it's not like other coaches want this. I don't know what they want. This is what I want. This is what works for me. So please make sure you're following the flow. And I really loved reading your discussions about how you're staying organized. If you haven't already applied or replied to that, please do so, because it is really important that we're staying on top of organization. As a teacher, when it's your own classroom, it just gets busier. So you want to make sure you have a good, solid organization plan, because you're going to be in charge of a lot of little brains and you need to make sure you're organized, okay? And if organization isn't your strong suit, this is a great time to fix it, because it needs to be. It's really difficult to be a teacher if you're not organized. Trust me. Okay? Well, I hope you have a great week. Please, please, please follow the correct steps so that I'm not wasting time going back and forth explaining things over and over again, because I don't want to waste your time. Okay? I want to make sure everybody is as stress-free as possible. I know that isn't always possible, but I just want a smooth transition for everybody. All right, thank you.